bus today, and Chase went on there with me. And I sit on the other side.
The other side of Chase?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, on the other side, on the other seat.
Oh, okay. Who did you sit next to?
I don't know. I don't know what her name is.
Oh, you didn't sit next to Jacob? Okay.
I sit somewhere else.
That's fine. So how did you like it?
Good.
Yeah? Was it a lot of fun? Yes. So Mrs. Chapman took you to your bus, and then what happened?
And me and she had to look at our name tags.
Uh-huh.
And that's it.
And what did she look for on your name tags?
For the number, what bus we're in.
Oh. And you lined up in the hallway? Did you line up in the hallway by your bus number? No? Oh. And then you just got on the bus and that's it? Did you tell the bus driver, "Hi, my name's Amaria"? What's your bus driver's name? Mrs. Martinez?
Mrs. Martinez.
I can't see you. You're out of the... Are you done? Okay, just say bye.
Bye.
Bye.